We're here at Petsmart getting supplies for our two dogs because we don't have anything.
Yeah.
We have like a leash, like the bare basics, but we need to get. They kind of smell, so we're gonna get some shampoo for them.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, they're gonna what you call it? Outgrow this, and plus they're gonna chew it out.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, this one should match our furniture a little bit, so or at least better than the brown. So look at this.
Yeah, they'll fit.
They'll fit.
Okay.
Other ones.
Okay.
I just want to see all the food that they have.
Look at this.
It's a little bit of water to help soften it. And that's because that's what Max is giving them.
The owner.
Which is, I mean, I guess that's fine, you know. Like, if there's something better, you know, we want the best for our dogs. And,
yeah, let's see.
Because we know better food probably leads to a better, longer life. So,
let's give them the best, and also for to give them good nutrition. There's a shampoo.
The only thing I see up here that says for puppy. Oh, I see some other stuff. Hold on.
Expensive.
Yeah, soft.
Okay.
Yeah, soft. Okay, so this is some powder scent shampoo and some spray to clean them while they are in between the washings.
And then we got a brush.
We got a brush. Got a brush to get rid of some of that extra hair.
food dispenser.
Food dispenser?
Yeah, I like that.
Give it a scoop.
Yeah.
And some wheels.
Perfect.
Perfect for your rice.
Yeah, and only one left. Perfect for rice. Yeah, I want that so that it's gonna be how cute. Bandana, dog collar. It's just cute. It's stinky cute.
Got a bow tie with crawfish.
Mm-hmm.
Might be lobsters, but it looks like crawfish.
Is that for Bailey?
Yeah, I think that's good. You want for Bailey. You want the yellow one or the? I think just a little pink. I think she'll look good on her thing.
And then for Bosco, of course, a blue one.
I wanna see if I miss the blue bow tie.
So yeah.
Look at these. The hornet stuff, but they're gonna grow out of whatever we buy them quickly. So by the time they get fully grown, we'll probably have like 2 or 3 hornets as well. But right now they can't even walk on a leash. They're stubborn. They don't want to move.
Yeah.
So we need to train them to walk with a leash right now because they've never had a leash on before yesterday. And
Yeah. So let's wait a little while.
And I think for the most part, we probably won't need the harness, just the leash and the collar. Like once you get them trained, you probably won't need that. But I do like some of this tactical looking stuff, you know.
Yeah, I like that.
You know, they could carry stuff. I mean, these are going to be big dogs, so we could have some of that. Do you want to get Bosco a different collar? Because I just got whatever at Walmart, you know, the back seat.
Yeah.
And this doesn't make much noise. I mean, the seats make more noise than this.
Yeah, I like that.
This one has some pockets in it.
So we're gonna get that.
Yeah, I think it says universal fit, waterproof. It doesn't really say anything else.
Yeah, we need that. So back seat cover.
May not provide.
This is so cute.
After a while, they can have backpacks. You know, this goes on there. Like that.
Yeah.
They got little booties for them. Put on their feet.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
To hold them.
Oh.
Probably holds 10,000. For the uptown dogs, we have placemats, some nice bowls. Look, even gold plated. You know, look, gold plated.
Actually,
For the dogs with the trust fund.
this is so nice. Dine-in style.
No, that's too dull.
Okay.
I like this because it's just
Yeah, so when they eat,
Yeah.
dog toys.
dog toys.
Dog
Want to get them a
toys.
squirrel?
But they like to share. Aisle full of toys. Toys to destroy. Toys for destroyers. Yeah. Yeah. Gold.
stain and odor remover.
Upcoming classes. The dog has a class. Yeah, we need that, Daddy. A treat.
This is a little bit bigger. Hey, sit down. Give him a little treat. Type of thing.
Yeah, get
Well,
two.
this is like $9.
Yeah.
I don't think we need to give him $9 of treats.
Mm-hmm.
But it's also bigger and strong.
You ready to check out?
I am ready to check out.
Okay, let's go back.
If we need more, we can always come back.
Yeah. Bed. They have their food dispenser. And just that food tray. What else? Yeah. Get bunch of
Backseat.
stuff.
So we got the dog bed. This is gonna be for both of them. Brother and sister, they should be able to sleep together.
Yeah.
Not for one big dog. Eventually, they'll need one like that or bigger,
Yeah, each one.
each for each one, but not right now.
Yeah, they're still puppy.
They're gonna chew that up eventually. So
They're still a puppy, 8 weeks old.
been like this,
Yeah.
and it's a little. I think it's a little bit cheaper here
Uh huh.
than over there.
Target.
It's cheaper here at Target than at the Petsmart. A little bit. It's fine. So they call this a slow feed bowl. So you pour all the food into here, and it goes into this maze. And so it, instead of the dog having full access to all the food,
Yeah.
it allows them.
It's
It makes
slowly-
them kind of
slow down.
lick through it and slow down instead of just gobbling it up and then throwing it up later or getting some kind of
Yeah.
weird belly ache or whatever. Oh, hey, we're at Tractor Supply, looking at pet stuff over here. Just a different place than the Petsmart or Petco or whatever is in your area. I don't know. They have a little bit different stuff. Prices are decent.
We're looking for a treat.
Yeah. Looking around. Peanut butter and oats.
Mm-hmm.
Don't want anything too basically. 'Cause the back seat, because we have 3 children in the back seat now. Brayden, Bailey, and Bosco.
Set it up.
Let's see if it'll work. I hope this works.
And let's go for a ride later to try.
Why you butt itches?
Okay, scooter.